Do you have bags under your eyes that you wish would just go away? Well, Agnes can get rid of them for you. Agnes is microneedling with radiofrequency, and basically we put the little tiny baby needle into the skin, and the radiofrequency kills the fat. And fat is only formed when you're born, puberty, and pregnancy. So those are not coming back. So once we get rid of those fat pads, gone, gone, gone. So I'm going to show you a procedure right now. So I've already numbed up my patient's under eye, and I also drawn my target where we want to go. So I had her sitting up and drawn exactly where her eye bag is. We numbed it with some lidocaine and epinephrine, so that's why there's a little discoloration. And I am going to start doing the treatment. I'm going to start right over here. Are you okay? Here? Okay, here we go. So 1, 2, 3. So this is Agnes. And after Agnes, we are going to do Scarlett. So Scarlett is her sister, which is going to help tighten and lift. So they work really well together. And now that we have Scarlett and Agnes in both of our locations, because it's been so popular, we have twins. 2 Scarletts, 2 Agneses. Anyway, it's our funny little thing that we say. Okay, anyhow. So let's keep going. We're going to come back now up here. You're doing great. And Agnes was named by the inventor who's in South Korea. It was named that because he thought it sounded the most like the word acne. And the reason this was developed was to kill acne. So you can use Agnes to kill sebaceous glands that give you trouble. So if you have adult acne, kid acne, we can go in with the needle after numbing, and we can kill the sebaceous gland. So all of that is a good thing. I just need to grab a little gauze. So with Agnes, there's not really any downtime other than you could bruise. So especially when we're underneath the eyes here. And here we're going to go back again. And for us, we have an LED light that we have our patients come back for. You felt that one, huh?
Yeah.
Sorry.
No. That's fine.
About every other day to help with that, to help with the bruising and the healing. LED light also helps with tightening, so it's a win-win all over the place. Well, you can see this is a pretty easy procedure, especially for me. You want to take some puffs of your pronouns? Yeah. And we have laughing gas, so that always helps. We love laughing gas, and then we get to find out a lot about you when you talk to me on laughing gas. But I'm going to come back to the lower in a second. We're also going to do some Agnes up high because it will help tack up her eyebrow. Who doesn't want a little tacking of the eyebrow? She loves me. He loves me not, maybe. So where else can you use Agnes? You can use it anywhere you have fat. So you can use it on the body. You can use it under the chin. We can do it for a buccal fat. She doesn't have any, but if she had a little fat here, we can treat that with Agnes. If you have jowls hanging down, we can treat that with Agnes. You can do a nose lift with Agnes. So if you have a nose that points down, sort of like mine, I can use Agnes and pull it up. We can use Agnes to help with lip lines and really so many things. And again, acne. Acne is a huge treatment. Hyperhidrosis, if you sweat a lot under your arms, I can use Agnes to essentially kill that sweat gland. That does take 3 treatments. Anywhere when we're killing fat, it can be 1 to 3 treatments, but acne is always 3, and hyperhidrosis is always 3 as well.